The audio landscape is about to be violently reshaped. For months, the most tightly guarded secret in tech has been slowly leaking out of South Korea, and what it reveals is not just a new pair of earbuds, but a fundamental shift in how we interact with sound and with our own bodies. This isn't just Samsung competing with Apple. This is Samsung defining the next decade of personal audio. If you have been on the fence about upgrading your earbuds, stop everything. For the next 30 minutes, you will hear exactly why the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are the only pair of true wireless headphones that matter right now. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. There is a specific, leaked feature, tucked deep within the hardware, that promises to be the single most disruptive innovation we've seen in this category, and it goes far beyond just listening to music. The anatomy of a game changer, design and comfort. Let's dissect the physical evidence first. The Buds 2 Pro was a massive step toward comfort, but the Buds 4 Pro leaks point to a complete, almost surgical refinement. Imagine an earbud that doesn't just sit in your ear, but disappears. We're hearing about a nearly 15% reduction in size and weight, allowing for deeper, more secure placement. This isn't just about comfort, it's about acoustics. A smaller, perfectly sealed cavity means the drivers can perform with surgical precision. Reports suggest a new dual driver setup, a refined tweeter and a powerful woofer, but what's truly exciting is the rumored vibrating diaphragm technology. This is Samsung's potential answer to truly high-fidelity bass in a minuscule package. We're talking about feeling the low end physically, without muddying the mids. It's a sound that doesn't just hit your ear, it resonates through your skull. Every single detail from the orchestral sweep to the sharp crack of a snare drum will be reproduced with chilling accuracy. The Silence Engine. Next-generation noise cancellation. When we talk about active noise cancellation, we often talk about reducing noise. With the Buds 4 Pro, the conversation shifts to creating perfect silence. The leak suggests Samsung is deploying a new AI-driven noise cancellation chip that processes ambient sound in real time, microseconds faster than the current standard. This new system is rumored to introduce adaptive transparency. Right now, transparency mode is basic. It lets sound through. The Buds 4 Pro, however, is said to use AI to selectively amplify human speech frequencies while simultaneously silencing persistent background noise like engine hums or construction drills. You can hold a perfect conversation in a loud environment without ever taking the earbuds out. It's smart enough to know the difference between a voice you want to hear and noise you don't. This isn't just better ANC, it's cognitive ANC. 30 hours of pure audio freedom. Battery revolution. The biggest practical limitation of all true wireless earbuds is the battery. And this is where the Buds 4 Pro makes an aggressive play for dominance. The reports are consistent, a significantly higher capacity cell in the buds themselves, pushing playtime towards a best-in-class 9 hours with ANC enabled. This is a marathon runner in a sprint competition. But the case gets an upgrade too. Not just more capacity for up to 3 extra full charges, but a new thermal management system allowing for truly hyperspeed wireless charging. Imagine this. You are walking out the door, you drop the depleted buds into the case for 5 minutes, and you have enough power for your entire 2-hour commute.